Hey everyone, welcome back. Now, let's verify your identity on bunq so you can fully activate your account. After signing up, bunq will prompt you to verify your identity. Tap Verify Now inside the app. You'll need a valid government issued ID such as password or national ID card. Make sure it's not expired. Follow the on screen instructions to take a clear photo of your ID. Ensure all the corners are visible and image is not blurry. Next, bunq will ask you to record a short selfie or video. Take a live photo. This confirms that you are the same person as the ID document. Make sure you're in a well lit area and remove hats or sunglasses. Once submitted, bunq will review your verification. This usually takes a few minutes but can sometimes take longer. After approval, your account becomes fully active and ready to use. That's how you verify your identity on bunq. Subscribe for more.